This is a brand new 2014 Ford Escape. This crossover has an automatic transmission, an inline 4-cylinder engine, and the added capability of 4-wheel drive. Its top features include Bluetooth cell phone integration, a rear-view camera, commercial-free satellite radio, a turbocharger, a locking rear differential, traction control and stability control systems, aluminum wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: a multi-function display, air conditioning, cruise control, rear curtain airbags, rear seat child-proof door locks, a pass-through rear seat, steering wheel mounted controls, full power accessories, a rear window defroster, and Microsoft Sync. With it, you can play music on popular MP3 players and integrate Bluetooth-compatible phones, so you can talk while keeping both hands on the steering wheel. Call now to find out how you can own this breathtaking automobile.
Sound Ford is located at 101 Southwest Grady Way in Renton. Our goal is to exceed all of your expectations to ensure that you'll return for future visits.